In addition to the impending doom for Shiba Inu, which has the whales in a frenzy, the recent monumental success of cryptocurrency in the realm of traditional finance may have far-reaching consequences for the breed's value. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or own Shib tokens. What, then, has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? Today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inu. Please watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Not to mention, every day this channel is giving away 1 million Shiba tokens. Simply becoming a subscriber, like the video, and commenting with the hashtag Shiba Inu will get you entered. Wishing you the best of luck. However, before we get into our subject, how about we examine the chart to see the Shiba price movement on December 16th? Approximately 2,715 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. With $832 million changing hands in 24 hours, the price of Shib has fallen 2%. At the moment, the token is the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market valuation of more than $16 billion. The prices shown in this video are subject to change at any moment. We do not provide financial advice on this content. We can begin today's video now. The Shiba Inu's journey auctions for Shibarium approach $600 million. There have been significant advancements in transactions and addresses using Shibarium, the Layer 2 solution for Shiba Inu. Shibarium's TVL recently hit a new record, showcasing its growing practicality. Investors are still paying close attention to how Shibarium's success affects the price of Shib and the market's momentum. Shiba Inu reaches second level recently. A significant transaction milestone was crossed by the Shiba Inu's L2, Shibarium. The quantity of transactions surpassed 500 million in the last 7 days. The transactions have surpassed 600 million as of this writing, which is another milestone. The number of addresses in the L2 has surpassed 2 million. Marking another significant milestone, there has been a dramatic increase in the number of daily active addresses, reaching over 12,000 on December 8th. Having said that, it has fallen below 2,000 as of this writing. There is an explosion in Shibarium TVL. The data shows that the total value locked for Shiba Inu Shibarium has skyrocketed, reaching an unprecedented level inside the ecosystem, surpassing $6 million. Users. Growing faith in Shibarium as a scalable solution within the larger Shiba Inu network is seen in this growth. The network's steady climb in transactions and the spike in TVL both point to the platform's utility being used more and more. The traction of Shibarium is correlated with Shib. A noticeable rally occurred in Shib as Shibarium increased its activity. Following rising investor confidence in ecosystem development, the price of Shib soared beyond 2,700 units in early December from a low of 1,700 units in mid-June. The present stabilization period in the market is, however, highlighted by the recent price retracements in Shib. Can Shib maintain its upward pace despite larger market swings, given Shibarium's new milestones? Where does Shib go from here? The daily chart for Shib shows that it is still strongly rising. A possible reversal point for bullish momentum might be seen at 2,350 set in units, where the 50-day moving average served as support. With an RSI of 50.60, we can see that momentum is neutral. But there is still potential for price appreciation should purchasing activity return. A little drop in volume suggests traders are waiting for a clear break above critical resistance at 3,000 units. The price of Shib seems to be highly dependent on Shibarium's future performance. Rekindled interest from investors could be sparked by any good changes in the ecosystem, including higher TVL or new collaborations. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything and does wonders for the channel's financial stability. But stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu. Move 2.79 trillion sheep with the help of a Shiba Inu whale. When it comes to pricing, what's the next move? Into the block data shows that whale activity has returned to the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu, with huge transaction volumes increasing by 41.39% in the past day. This increase amounts to 2.79 trillion sheep, which is equivalent to $76.48 million in dollars after days of diminishing activity. Significant holdings have shown fresh interest. Transfers involving institutional participants, huge holders, or whales, those with assets worth more than $100,000, are considered large transactions. These big holders may be getting ready for big price changes in Shib, since the latest surge could indicate that they are re-entering the market. There has been a decline in general trading activity and a significant drop in the volume of large transactions involving Shiba Inu in recent times. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the trade volume of Shiba Inu fell 18.25% to $679.45 million in the last 24 hours. Into the Block reports that the massive amount of Shiba Inu transactions has dropped from 18.85 trillion Shib on December 10th to 1.9 trillion Shib on December 13th. The recent 41% increase in whale trades could be a sign of a change in attitude. The crypto market is experiencing profit-taking, which could lead whales to accumulate Shib at a discount. As the market sell-off gathered steam in the early hours of Sunday trading, approximately $252 million worth of crypto-track futures were liquidated in the past 24 hours. Trading for Shib and most other cryptocurrencies was negative. The meat of today's video is about to begin. Why an analyst predicts a massive 150% increase to 7,400 units for Shiba Inu in the near future. Proponents of bullish outlooks believe the market momentum will last far beyond 2025, despite the present market downturn. One expert has recently speculated that Shiba Inu could experience a strong price surge. Pricing for Shiba Inu is at an important level. The Shiba Inu price has reached a tipping point, says Palayan Trade FX, a market expert. Thursday, TradingView published an analysis by Palayan Trade FX stating that Shib is attempting to break through a trend line that has plagued it since 2021. According to the analyst's weekly candle chart, the average coin initially entered this downward trend after reaching a peak of 8,616 units in October 2021 and returned to it in March 2024 after surging to 4,567 units. In the event that Shib is able to reverse its long-term decline, analysts at Pound and Trade FX predict a price increase of more than 150%. From 2,795 units at present to 7,400 units at its highest. However, if the trend line remains unchanged, the analyst warned that the token might plunge 62%. From $1,000 to 1,100 units. Among the numerous analysts who have recently expressed a positive perspective on Shib, Palayan Trade FX is among them. Another zero will be erased from the Shib pricing. Crypto experts forecasted that Shib's price would wipe out another zero on Tuesday, December 11th. In particular, the analyst stated that a cup-and-handle pattern on the asset's weekly chart indicated that the token's price was likely to increase by over 1,700% from its present price to approximately 0.00000047905. An important indicator that could back this upswing, according to the analyst, is the fact that Bitcoin's dominance is continuing to fall, which means that investors are shifting their money away from the market leader in digital assets and onto memes and altcoins. From a peak of 61.5% in November, Bitcoin's dominance has dropped dramatically to 56.5% as of this writing. Despite Shib's 200% price growth over the previous year, there have been new bullish sentiments around the cryptocurrency. The Shiba Inu developers and the real world worth of Shib have led several of our subscribers to declare that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years, even though they have millions of them. What number do you have in your hands? Leave a comment below detailing your Shib holdings. The Shib holder deserves praise for having faith in the procedure. If you're having fun with the video, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments. In addition, if you would want to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video, you should enable post notifications. However, you shouldn't limit your current investigation to Shib alone. What may the next Shiba Inu coin be? I recently made a movie on it. To learn more, watch the video that is currently displayed. Much obliged for your time.